Guys, my name is Palak Jain and I am a SEBI registered research analyst and I've been in this market since last 6 years. I've done my MBA in finance which actually got me into this market. A lot of people actually see me online as Finance with Palak where I share real life stories and about finance, stocks, how to build long-term generational wealth in very simple language which can be understood by everyone. So my main motto is to build good relationship with people with money and stock market because Sapna, there is a lot of misconception whenever they hear this word stock market. Oh, it's so scary, I don't know about it, should I enter, how, and all those kind of questions. So my main motto is to make this agenda very much simple and understand for people to start begin with it, or that one guru mantra which will actually help me build those portfolio into it. My life will change. What is that boring SIP method which help you to be at this place? How can I build my portfolio for the next 10 years? कोई stock गिर रहा है, गिरे जा रहा है. I'm like, okay, 50% down is और 50% बढ़ना रहेगा. This was my reality when I was a beginner.
If I have 10K, I want to convert it into 1 crore rupees, and that you have to brutally destroy.
आप रिस्क को एज अ रेड फ्लैग मत देखो. इट इज इनफैक्ट अ ग्रीन फ्लैग इन योर लाइफ. 4 जन भी अगर अवेयर हो जाए, माई ड्यूटी इज फुलफिल्ड ओवर देयर, ताकि वो आगे जाके कभी इन सब ट्रैप्स में ना फंसे.
Okay, so you work in retail investors, right? Investors,
Yeah.
traders. Have you come with most, delusional DM you have ever received? Like there is a person who just DM'd you and lie. People tell themselves like, if I have 10K, I want to convert it into 1 crore rupees, and that you have to brutally destroy. That you have to tell them brutally that okay, this is not possible. Have you ever received these kind of DMs?
Of course, actually on a daily basis, I keep on getting those kind of DMs, and I'll tell you how. मैम बस एक ऐसा multi bagger stock बता दो. Please give me that one course or that one guru mantra which will actually help me build those portfolio into it. My life will change. But actually, that is the main problem, है ना? Because people are just, they're not actually asking me. I am very sad that people are not asking me what is that boring SIP method which help you to be at this place. How can I build my portfolio for the next 10 years? लोग ये नहीं पूछेंगे. They want shortcuts into the market, right? So I personally believe कि आप लोग के क्वेश्चंस में धीरे-धीरे उनको जेंटली बोलती हूँ कि ओके, फर्स्ट टेल मी कि आपका माइंडसेट क्या है? आप कितने समय के लिए इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो? डू यू हैव सम इमरजेंसी फंड विथ यू? एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आई कैन सजेस्ट यू दोज़ स्टॉक्स. तो आई तब उनको धीरे-धीरे रियलाइज़ होता है कि ओके, आई थिंक आई वाज़ नॉट आस्किंग द करेक्ट क्वेश्चन. So I want to tell them I'm not wanting to be a shortcut to their journey, but actually wanting to be a coach जो उनको उस राह तक लेके जा सके. So then they understand and then they start asking better questions and then उनका actual transformation begin होता है. So लोगों का question नहीं पता कि which kind of investor they want to be. This is not a shortcut कि एक multi bagger stocks आपकी life change हो जाएगी. It's not that simple as well.
Right. You just mentioned multi-bagger, right? Everyone wants multi-bagger, but
Yeah.
nobody want that risk management. Even the smart people, they even ignore the risk until it hurt. So my question to you is, how do you make them care before the loss happens?
Risk management is the most important thing, and I also learn it in a very hard way. So as I told you कि जब कोई भी, let's say social media, आप जब social media पे आते हो, you see, oh, 10x 5x कमा सकते हो within this month, and that person impulsively enters without knowing the risk involved. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है, I just try to tell people, आप रिस्क को एज अ रेड फ्लैग मत देखो. इट इज इनफैक्ट अ ग्रीन फ्लैग इन योर लाइफ विच विल एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्ट योर कैपिटल इनटू इट. मैं उनको बस एक सिंपल सी चीज बताती हूँ. लेट्स से एक स्टॉक है, 100 रुपीज का स्टॉक है, एंड दस फेल बाय 50%, तो वो 100 रुपए की स्टॉक 50 रुपीज हो जाएगी. अब अगर उसको फिर से रिकवर करना है तो उसको कितना परसेंट बढ़ना पड़ेगा?
50%.
लोगों को लगेगा 50%, राइट?
Hmm.
बट एक्चुअली उसको पूरा 100% बढ़ना पड़ेगा स्टॉक. आपको बताती हूँ मैं कैसे. 100 रुपए का स्टॉक 50% गिरा, नाउ इट हैज बिकम 50 रुपीज. अगर वो 50 रुपीज से 50% बढ़ेगा तो उसे 75 रुपीज तक पहुंच पाएगा. बट मुझे तो 100 तक चाहिए, तो इट हैज टू रन 100% ऊपर. तो दैट इज द पावर ऑफ हैविंग दैट रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. एक बार जो इंसान वो समझ में आ गया, he will actually start respecting the risk taking capability of our trader. So that is extremely important, which actually safeguards our capital and help us to be consistent into the market for a long run.
Okay. I have to research about this thing. for you.
You, this is something which I also was not aware. जब मतलब कोई स्टॉक गिर रहा है, गिरे जा रहा है, I'm like, okay, 50% डाउन, इसको और 50% बढ़ना रहेगा. This was my reality when I was a beginner. And then I realized, no, स्टॉक को 50% नहीं, पूरा 100% बढ़ना पड़ेगा. I don't have to let that stock fall so much. So, that is the ideology behind it. जब आप ये सारी चीज़ें समझते हो, आप खुद अपने आप को इन सब चीज़ों से बचाते हो by falling into those kind of traps.
Right. Okay. So we both know that the financial advisory space, especially in India, has a serious scam problem. Like financial scam industry is bigger than some countries' GDP, right? What's the most heartbreaking story you have seen or heard as of now?
Actually, this was very disheartening to see because as I told you, when I get a lot of DMs ना, तो उनमें से बहुत लोग ऐसे भी होते सब ना, मैम I gave this capital to a person for account handling, he did पूरा zero, he ran away with my capital and all that stuff. तो I feel really bad. But आपको पता है ये क्यों ये प्रॉब्लम होती है tipsters की? People actually run behind shortcuts. उनको shortcuts चाहिए. वो एक सेबी रजिस्टर्ड रिसर्च एनालिस्ट को देने से पहले या कोई प्रोफेशनल को पैसे देने से पहले इतना सोचेंगे, लेकिन अगर कोई टेलीग्राम का एडमिन को देने से पहले इतना नहीं सोचते 10-20 हज़ार, जस्ट बिकॉज ही इज प्रॉमिसिंग आपको इंट्राडे 10x 20x करके दिखा सकता हूँ. सो दैट इज द मेन हार्श रियलिटी आई वुड से. तो मैं अगेन यही बोलूंगी कि आप लोग अपने आप को एजुकेट करना सीखो सो दैट यू लिटिल अवेयर. आपको ब्लाइंड अवेयरनेस नहीं हो कि अच्छा इससे बोल रही हो सकता है. यू शुड बी एक्चुअली अवेयर कि ये सारे स्कैम्स हो सकते हैं. स्टॉप गोइंग बिहाइंड these kind of shortcuts. Once you have that knowledge, you know that is not possible. ये सारे unrealistic approaches होते हैं. Try to go for SEBI registered people. And when these kind of people actually come to me कि मैम ऐसा ऐसा हो गया, I don't make them feel अरे why did you do that, were you greedy. No, I make them feel actually you were not aware about it, right? तो it is okay, but अब फिर मैं उनको go through करवाती हूँ कि what is the importance of SEBI RA, उनके आप credibility कैसे देख सकते हो, so that अगर मेरे इतने बताने से सब ना 10 में से अगर 4 जन भी अगर अवेयर हो जाए, माय ड्यूटी इज फुलफिल्ड ओवर देयर, ताकि वो आगे जाके कभी इन सब ट्रैप्स में ना फंसे. एंड मोस्ट डिसहार्टनिंग थिंग व्हाट इट इज, सैलरीड पर्सन लोग अपने लॉसेस को रिकवर करने के लिए दे यूज इमरजेंसी फंड्स, या वो लोग क्रेडिट कार्ड लोन्स लेते हैं ट्रेड करने के लिए. फिर उनके साथ जब इस तरह का स्कैम होता है, दैट हर्ट्स द मोस्ट. सबसे ज्यादा बुरी चीज मुझे ये लगती है फिर.
Okay. We have talked a lot about finance. Let's talk about Palak now. Okay. When the laptop is closed and nobody needs you to be the, Palak the analyst, who are you in those moments?
Okay. I believe after like no one needs me as finance ma'am and all, I'm just a simple ordinary girl who loves long walks, good food, and good conversations after such noisy market, right? So I actually believe that money is something what actually gives me that freedom. But what kind of freedom? Agar if I want to be taking a holiday, it has to be guilt free holiday. If I want to help my family into such any responsibility to be taken, I don't want to check my bank account 10 times before helping them. So that is the actual freedom I want. I want to say no proudly to that promotion brands who wants to promote little wrong things which is not actually good for members. So that is the actual value of money for me. That is the actual value of freedom for me. So that is when I realized why have I started this journey as a finance influencer into the market, so that I can influence those people's life by making them understand what are the do's and don'ts in this finance journey. They can be more careful about it. And अगर मेरे बताने से उनकी लाइफ में कुछ भी changes होते हैं, I'm more than happy. The stock markets up and down does not scare me anymore then.